Hey everyone, today we're going to make these tasty buns stuffed with juicy meat delights. Just take a look and imagine biting into one. They're stuffed with juicy ground beef and seasoned with tomato paste, green pepper, mushrooms, garlic, onions, and cheese. The meat is savory, tender, and moist, and the bun is fluffy, airy, and slightly sweet. Filling is generous and satisfying, and the bun is easy to hold and eat. Whether you need a snack, a lunch, or a party appetizer, this bun has you covered. It's so yummy that everyone will love it. In this video, we will show you how to make it step by step. So, are you ready? Let's go! To make the airy and fluffy buns, start by combining 2 cups and 2 tablespoons of bread flour in a mixing bowl. Next, add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix well and set aside. Combine in a large bowl, 1/2 cup of lukewarm water. Ideally, the water temperature should be about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. 2 teaspoons of sugar. Give it a quick stir and wait for 15 minutes and you should start to see bubbles or foam forming. This means the yeast is fresh. Mix in 1/3 cup of room temperature milk. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Finally, crack 1 large egg. Whisk everything together completely. Then combine the dry ingredients. Mix gently at first. Then use a pastry scraper or by hand to continue mixing the dough. Knead the dough for about 15 minutes. If the dough is overly sticky, dab some olive oil on your hands or add flour. Place the dough in a large bowl. Drizzle with a teaspoon of oil and cover with plastic wrap. Allow the dough to rise in a warm area until it has doubled or tripled in size, about 1 to 2 hours. To make the filling, start by chopping 1 cup of onion. Sauté chopped onion in a large pot over medium-high heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Brown 600 grams of ground beef. Remove any rendered and liquefied fat. Then continue browning the beef until almost fully cooked. Add 4 tablespoons of tomato paste to the beef to enhance its flavor. Finally, chop 3 cloves of garlic. Add 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. 1 tablespoon of Maggi sauce, and 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. Give it a quick stir. Dice 1 cup of green pepper. Slice 1 and 1/2 cups of mushroom. Season with salt and ground pepper. Stir until the vegetables are tender. Remove the pot from the heat and allow it to cool down. About 1 to 2 hours later, punch the dough down. Divide the dough into 8 pieces. Dust some flour on a flat surface. Also, flour the rolling pin. Gently roll out each piece into a circle about 5 inches. In the meantime, slice 200 grams of mozzarella cheese about 1 inch square and a 1/4 inch thick. Place a slice on top of the dough. Add about 3 tablespoons of meat filling. And place another cheese on top. Fold the dough over the filling and pinch the corners to seal. Turn the dough over and shape it into a circular bun. To make the egg wash, crack 1 egg. Add 1 tablespoon of milk and give it a good whisk. Brush the egg wash over the buns. To make the buns even tastier, we like to sprinkle some garlic powder over them. Finally, we add some chopped parsley for color. Bake the buns in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's all there is to it. Baked to a beautiful golden brown perfection. Look at how bouncy and airy they are, and yet they have slight crisp on the outside. Still piping hot, you get the meatiness, cheesiness, and pepperiness flavor. We hope you enjoyed this juicy, meaty, and tasty bun recipe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time for another quick, easy, and delicious recipe.